Come here, get closer.
No, you get closer to me.
No, I can't.
Is your name spelled right on your knife?
Yeah.
Cool. Hi, baby.
Not
Now I get where I'm
This is so
going.
good. Ow.
Can I make a flipogram thing of Lucy?
On mine?
No, on hers.
Dreadlocks back here, girl.
Christy.
Yes, because you need to go to beauty parlor. Don't.
I poked her.
You went like that.
Poked her.
And I get where I'm going. Are you posting this on YouTube? Lola, Lola, look over there. Look.
Yeah. That would be mine.